Ho, 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 it's December 20th of the Makita Advent Calendar 2025 unboxing. So far, we've gotten the storage box, 4 different sets of drill bits, 4-piece socket set, LED light, snap-off knife, screwdriver T-handle, hex key set, 4 different bit sets, 2 cookie cutters, Makita laces, a level, and the Makita key ring. Let's see what we have in store for us in number 20. So here we have a magnetic angle grinder. So this can go right on the toolbox with our magnets. Happy 20th, and follow us to see what we get in number 21.